Adolphe, look here, Nana. December 12th తర్వాత రివిజన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, లుక్ హియర్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్, ప్రిజం. చాప్టర్ ఆఫ్ రే ఆప్టిక్స్ నానా. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాల్యూమ్ 2 పార్ట్ ఏ. పార్ట్ ఏ నాన్న, ఈరోజు నుంచి పార్ట్ ఏ తీయాలి. చాప్టర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ప్రిజం నాన్న. ప్రిజం generally prism is made of glass now. Prism is made of glass. Okay, here in the prism refraction occurs. What is the meaning of refraction in the light? Light propagated one medium to another medium, light bends. This phenomena is called refraction. Okay, in the prism generally made of glass, here refraction occur. Look here, all of you. This is the prism. This is the prism. This is the prism. In the prism name nana P Q R. P Q R. Look here nana. P Q R. In the prism P Q R is called principal section of the prism. PQR is called principal section of prism. What is the PQR nana? Principal section of the prism. Here QR is called base of the prism. Basic నేర్చుకోవాలన్నా ఎప్పుడైనా సరే. Here PQR is called principal section of the prism. QR is called base of the prism. Base of the prism. Here this is the one of the refracting surface. This is the other of the refracting surfaces. This is first refracting surface. This is second refracting surface. Here, but for example, principal section lo idi first refracting surface, idi second refracting surface. Okay nana? Here how many refracting surfaces are there? Two refracting surfaces are there. In the prism here, this angle is called angle of prism. This is also called as refracting angle. Here A is called angle of prism. This is also called as refracting angle of prism. Here A is called angle of prism. Overall this A is called refracting angle of prism. Okay, A is called angle of prism. This A is also called as refracting angle of prism. Okay, for example, given prism is equilateral prism. మరి ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ? 60 degrees ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే given prism is the question equilateral prism, angle of prism is ORR, refracting angle is 60 degrees. Okay, nana SSR already afternoon complete చేశాడు. దీన్ని ఏదో అంటారు లెన్స్, కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్. దిస్ ఆల్సో మేడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్లాస్. ఈ కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ ని కట్ చేస్తే తర్వాత ఇలా రేస్ వచ్చింది. What happens to the convex lens? Converge the rays. What happens to the convex lens? Converge the rays. Converge the rays. Okay na? Here converge means distance between the rays decrease. Diverge means distance between the rays increase. ఇప్పుడు అదే లెన్స్ ని లుక్ హియర్, ఇదేగా లెన్స్, కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్. హియర్ కట్ చేస్తే ఈ షేప్ చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇదొక ప్రిజం, ఇదొక ప్రిజం, ఇదే కదా లెన్స్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ ఏ టూ ప్రిజమ్స్. ఇక్కడ రేస్ ఏమైనా ఇలా పెడితే కన్వర్స్, రేస్ ఏమైనా కన్వర్స్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు రే పడితే ఇది బేస్ కదా, అంటే ద రే bends towards the base. Here ray bends towards the base. Phenomena అర్థమైందా? Light fall on the prism, the ray always bend towards the prism, towards the base of the prism. Praveen, అదిసేనా? ఒకసారి రీలాగినావు సయ్యద్, రీలాగినావు నాన్న. డైవర్జింగ్ లెన్స్ అయినా తీసుకున్నాం. లుక్ హియర్, రీలాగినావు నాన్న సయ్యద్. లుక్ హియర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద లెన్స్ ఈజ్, నాన్న లుక్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కాన్కేవ్ లెన్స్. హియర్ this is the ray. Concave lens is called diverging lens. Look here, diverging lens means the distance between rays increases. Okay nana? Look here, it will be cut, it will be cut. Is nana here, here. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, రే ఎడ వచ్చింది, డైవర్జెంట్ ఇదే కదా, అంటే ఎడిపోతుంది టువార్డ్స్ ద బేస్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిజం. హియర్ టువార్డ్స్ ద బేస్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిజం అంటే సింపుల్లీ లైట్ ఫాల్ ఆన్ ద ప్రిజం, లైట్ ఫాల్ ఆన్ ద ప్రిజం, ఇట్ రేస్ ఆర్ బెండ్స్ టువార్డ్స్ ద బేస్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిజం. వన్స్ అగైన్ I repeat, prism is generally made of glass. It here which phenomena occur? Refraction. Here how many refracting surfaces are there? Two refracting surfaces are there. Okay, the angle between two refracting surfaces are called angle of prism. Its other name is angle of prism. Angle of prism. Okay nana? Angle of prism. Look here all of you. Look here all of you. This is the prism nana. This is the principal section of the prism. Very important, 8 marks. This is the principal section of the prism. Look here, principal section of the prism. Okay, look here all of you. Principal section of the prism name P Q R. Here this is called angle of prism. Angle of prism denoted by A. In the situation, this is normal na? This is also normal. Deniki normal adi? Surface ki normal. Okay? Here, this is the light ray. The chapter name is Ray Optics. The chapter name is Ray Optics. Ray Optics. The chapter name is Ray Optics. In the chapter, light propagated in the form of straight lines. For example, look here. Manistanga. ఇది ఒక పని చేద్దాం. ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్ ఏంటిది? ప్రిన్సిపల్ సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిజం. ఏ అంటే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిజం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లైట్ రే ఫాల్ ఆన్ ద ప్రిజం. అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రీవియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్, light bends towards the base. Actual ga straight ga poవాలి. Here refraction occur. That's why refraction occur. That's why it becomes bend towards the base. Here same medium, not deviate. Look here now. This is the ray. This is called QR. Okay? PQ is the incident ray. QR is the refracted ray. Here also comes out, bends towards the base of the prism. Here RS is the emergent ray. Incident ray, refracted ray, emergent ray. Here look here, this incident ray normal to chese angle, this is called angle of incidence. What is the I1 is called angle of incidence. ప్రతి వాడు ఇంపార్టెంట్. నీట్గా అండి క్లాస్ అంతా ప్రెజెంట్. Here this is emergent ray, normal to chese angle I2. Here I2 is angle of emergence. Okay? Here this is, look here, normal refracted ray. Angle of refraction at first surface is R1. Angle of refraction at second surface is R2. Yes, అయిపోయింది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ ఏంటి? T. ఇంగ్లీష్లో P Q R S T. Here no angle is given. For example, this is theta. Okay? This is the emergent ray. It will be extended back. Look here, Nana. Look here. This is the incident ray. This is the emergent ray. The angle between incident ray and emergent ray, that is called angle of deviation. What is the delta? Angle of deviation. Look here now. Here T తర్వాత వచ్చే English letter U. Look here, all of it. R1 plus R2 equal to A. I1 plus I2 equal to. Look here, all of it. This is the prism now. Okay? In the prism, name X, Y, Z. Okay? This is the principal section of the prism. This is normal of the surface, 90 degrees. This is normal of this surface, XZ. Here, this is the light ray, Nana. This is the light ray. This angle of incidence is I1. According to optics, light ray bends towards the base. Actual ga straight ga poవాలి. Okay na? This is incident ray. But according to lens, it will be bends towards the base. Okay, and again it bends towards the base. Here name P Q R S T. Here PQ is called incident ray, RS is called emergent ray, angle of emergency is I2. Okay, here this ray here, this is called angle of refraction, this is called angle of refraction R1 R2. ఇప్పుడు నాకు దీన్ని బ్యాక్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసామనుకో నానా, ఎమర్జెంట్ రే ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే, ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే అండ్ ఎమర్జెంట్ రే ఈజ్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ డీవియేషన్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ దిస్ యాంగిల్ 180 minus delta. Look here, this is T, next letter U, angle of prism denoted by A. In the situation, first I take the triangle name QTR. In the mathematics, total angle is 180 degrees. QTR, here angle R1 R2. This angle is unknown, this is theta. Suppose R1 plus theta plus R2. Here the unknown is theta. Theta write as 180 plus other side minus R1 plus R2. Equation number 1. Okay. Next one, the triangle name X Q T R. X Q T R. According to this line, upper triangle, lower triangle. This is called quadrilateral triangle. Look here now. Look here now. This is X Q T R. Okay, this angle also we know that A. This angle I assume theta. This is the normal surface తో ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ చేస్తుంది? 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Simply quadrilateral shape means total how many degrees? 360 degrees. Total angle చెప్పండి. A plus theta. Here 90, here 90. Total is 180. Once again వరుణ్ నీకోసమే చెప్తుంది, బంగారు కొండ అని వినాలి, మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారని చెప్తున్నాను. 180. But equation 1, theta value we know that. What is the theta value from equation 1? Here 180 minus R1 plus R2 equal to 180. 180 cancel. Finally, look here, what is the value of A? R1 plus R2. Very important equation. Relation between angle of prism over refracting angle, angle of refraction of first surface, angle of refraction of second surface. What is the A value? R1 plus R2. Okay, Nana? Next now. In the situation, next small triangle Q U R. Look here, all of you. Here now, this line, look here. This angle is I1. This angle is I1 because in the mathematics, interior angle equal to exterior angle. ఇది మొత్తం I1 అయితే ఇది ఎంత అయింది నాన్న? I1 minus R1. ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది వరుణ్? I2 minus R2. ఇదిగోనా, ఇది I2, ఇదే లైన్ కదా, ఇదిగో ఇదే లైన్. ఈ టోటల్ I2, దీంట్లో నుంచి తీసేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత? I2 minus R2. On the triangle QUR, look here, I1 minus R1 plus I2 minus R2 plus 180 minus delta. Total angle is 180. 180 cancel. Finally I1 plus I2. Right side R1 plus R2 plus delta minus other side plus. According to equation 2, R1 plus R2 write as A plus delta. This is also most important formula in the chapter. What is the formula for A? R1 plus R2. What is the formula for I1 plus I2? A plus delta. Okay, next now. Venkateswamy garu chat base diva. Look here. What is the second formula? Mere cheppali. What is the second formula? R1 plus R2 equal to A. What is the check this? I1 plus I2 equal to A plus delta. Equation 2, equation 3. The graph is drawn between, look here, experimental graph. This is delta. Angle of incidence taken as x-axis. Angle of deviation. Deviation means angle between incident ray and emergent ray. I can be taken as x-axis. Delta taken as y-axis. Graph is drawn. Okay? In the graph, look here all of you. This is the experimental graph now. Here. In the situation, for example, at a particular deviation, here, how many incidents are there? I1 is there, I2 is there. For example, deviation decrease. Look here. Here cut chesam. Deviation. Because origin kada. Ila velte increasing. Ila vaste decreasing. Here. Look here the graph. I1 deviation decreases. I1, I2 comes closer. At a particular deviation, that is minimum deviation. In the particular deviation is cutting. In this situation, I1 equal to I2. Its meaning is at a particular deviation, simply the deviation becomes delta m. That is called angle of minimum deviation. In the situation I1 equal to I2. Once again I repeat. Deviation decreases. I1, I2 come closer. At a particular minimum deviation, I1 equal to I2. Simply I1 equal to I2 equal to I. Okay? Equation number 4. This is applicable at a condition in the question is, the given condition in the question is the minimum deviation. In the situation, we know the Snell law, sin I directly proportional to sin R. In the situation, simply sin I directly proportional to sin R. Simply sin I increases, sin R also increases. Simply sin I directly proportional to sin R. Its meaning is I1 equal to I2. Simply R1 equal to R2 equal to R. Equation number 5. Okay, Nana? Here, what is the Snell law? Snell law. Gurtunda SSR చెప్పింది. Refractive index of the prism. Nana, we discuss prism nano. Sin I by sin R. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు మరి sin I by sin R. ఇది ఫార్ములా. ఇప్పుడు మీరే చెప్పండి. ఈక్వేషన్ 2 తీసుకోండి. ఈక్వేషన్ 2 తీసుకోండి. ఈక్వేషన్ 2 ఏంటి? r1 ప్లస్ r2 ఈక్వల్ టు a. ఇక్కడే ఉంది కదా, r1 r, r2 r, because according to question the condition is minimum deviation 2r equal to a. Simply r equal to a by 2, r equal to a by 2. According to equation 3, look here, I1 I, I2 I equal to a plus delta, I plus I 2I, I equal to, look here, a plus delta by 2, but the condition is delta is delta m. This is equation number 6. This is equation number 7. Here substitute. What is the Snell's law? Mu equal to sin I by sin r. What is the I value according to equation 7? I is right, a plus delta m by 2 whole by sin r, r right as a by 2. Simply this is the formula for refractive index of the prism. What is the formula for refractive index of the prism? Sin of a plus delta m whole by 2 whole by sin of a by 2. Okay na? Ray optics la is subtopic nana Varun. Okay, look here again, I repeat. Here, this is the formula for refractive index of the prism. Note a small note. This prism is thin prism, ORR small angled prism. In the mathematics, small angle taken less than 5 degrees, sin theta right as theta, sin theta right as theta. Here right. Finally calculate what is the angle of minimum deviation formula. Mu minus 1 into capital A. Mu minus 1 into capital A none.